hi, howdy, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Bailey.s Stewart. Today's video is going to be a full day of eating, what I ate in a day. I don't really calorie count anymore. I don't restrict myself. I am currently in a bulk. I just want to kind of give you meal ideas. Obviously, even if you eat the same things that I do, doesn't mean that you're going to look exactly like me if you eat the same foods. Our genetics are different. I just want to keep that in mind. Like, I'm not saying eat this and you'll look like me. I don't want my videos to come across that, but I have been asked a ton to do a full day of eating again. So this video is basically just showing you what I eat, giving you some meal ideas and kind of how much I eat while I'm bulking. And if anything, to kind of help realize that you don't have to restrict yourself and you can still eat good foods and make gains. I hate seeing videos saying you can't eat this, you can't eat that, or else you're never going to see any gains. That's not ever how I want my channel to kind of come across, or like my message when it comes to food. Now I just do everything in moderation. I don't restrict myself because I still eat good foods. I don't restrict myself, and I don't think you need to either to see progress, to make gains. Everything in moderation, everything in balance. So I just want to show you realistic what I eat in a day, showing you that you can still see gains and eat that cookie, eat that donut, go out to eat with some friends, and maybe not completely restrict yourself. So if anything, that is what I would like this video to kind of get across. So my goal is to get in my body weight of protein. Also, a little disclaimer again, I am not a nutritionist, so I'm not out here telling you what to eat. Again, this is just what I eat. This video is sponsored by Myprotein. As you guys know, I'm a Myprotein athlete. I do have a code, so you can use my code BaileyMYP to save. Thank you so much, Myprotein, for sponsoring this video. As you guys know, I love Myprotein. I'm so thankful to be working with them because finding supplements that don't irritate my IBS or my skin has been very hard for me to find. And then when I found Myprotein, I tried it and had no issues. I fell in love and they reached out to work with me. But again, they have so many different products that you guys can try. They have the Myprotein buttermilk pancakes. They have the clear white isolate, which you guys know is a fave. Let's just get on into the rest of the video. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna start my day off with making some Myprotein protein pancakes. I love the buttermilk flavor. I add almond milk and an egg just to make them more fluffy, and then I also add cinnamon and sugar to it. It tastes so good. That's what we're gonna do. I'm really hungry. I'm also adding chocolate chips. I got Ghirardelli ones. Oh, so good. Okay, so update, these are delicious. Chef's kiss, 10 out of 10 recommend. Again, you guys can use my code BaileyMYP to save. Chocolate chips, cinnamon sugar, syrup. Ooh, if I had whipped cream, I'd add that too. But it's 20 grams of protein, probably more because I added the egg. But yeah. Alright guys, I just got changed for the gym. I am starving. It's like 11 o'clock. So I desperately need to eat something before I work out. And I'm a big snacker. I eat a lot of snacks during the day, I'm not gonna lie. So might as well make them high protein snacks. And I love chips. I'm a chip gal. I can eat a whole bag of chips in one sitting. So I'm very happy that I found the Myprotein salt and vinegar chips. Salt and vinegar is my favorite flavor, so the fact that they have them in protein. They kind of remind me of Quaker chips, like the texture. They're really good. I'm gonna snack on these and then maybe eat a Rice Krispie treat before I work out, just to give me some energy because I feel starving. And then I'll make a protein shake and my lunch after my workout. All right, time for the gym. If you know, you know. Oh, I couldn't tell if I was recording. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. I just went to my apartment gym. Hi, Laura, how you doing? And so now I'm gonna I drink the clear white isolate after my workout. I just put it with my ice water in a shaker bottle. It's a lot quicker. And then later at night is when I have my thicker, creamy one that I blend up. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna drink this and then make my pasta. Got the water in there. I have to wait for it to boil. I'm hungry. So it's a little bit later, it's 5:30. I'm gonna eat dinner. I wanna eat it now. That way I won't be eating or drinking my protein shake so late because I wanna go to bed early. So what I'm gonna have for dinner is roast beef. I have this pre-cooked, you guys know I love quick and easy roast. 27 grams of protein. All I have to do is microwave it. These and the carnitas are really good. The chicken was okay. I prefer the carnitas and the beef roast. So I'm gonna make some rice, some broccoli, and potatoes. And that'll be my dinner. Another item, if you are a quick and easy type of gal, you can get these at Costco. It's cooked sticky white rice. You can heat it up. And it's super convenient. Okay, so here is the roast beef rice, and I poured some of the extra sauce on it. And now I have the roasted potatoes that I'm gonna cut open. I'm steaming the broccoli now. And ta-da, here is a super quick and easy high protein meal. Yes, it is processed. However, if you don't have time or you don't like to cook, this is still a good option. You've got your carbs, you've got your veggies, you've got your meat, your rice. It's super yummy, super quick, and super easy. That's literally all I'm about, okay? I don't have time to sit here and make it from scratch or spend hours. I don't know how long roast beef takes to cook, but I feel like it's a long time if you put it in a crock pot. You know what I'm saying? So this is easy. It tastes really good, so I'm gonna eat this, and then in a little bit I will make my protein shake. One thing I love about this is that it's also super easy to meal prep. I still have leftover potato, I still have leftover roast beef, broccoli, rice. So I can get multiple servings out of this. So if you are someone who, say you work like a 9 to 5, my camera's crooked, I'm sorry, it's really bothering me. But yeah, if you are someone who works a 9 to 5 and you just don't have time to, another thing that irritates me sometimes about some fitness influencers, I've seen this on TikTok too, like bashing people for eating out or not making everything from scratch. These people that literally their job is to work out and make food are sitting here on TikTok ab checking people, being like, you need to stop eating out or else you won't have abs like me. Or just like setting unrealistic standards when their full-time job is literally to cook their food, work out, like they're full-time influencers. So obviously it's easier for someone to do all that because they have all the time, where I know, because I used to work a 7 a.m. to like sometimes 7 p.m. job. It was exhausting. Last thing I wanted to do when I got home was make a meal that took hours to make. I think we all have to be realistic with our lifestyle and not be hard on ourselves. If we cannot make a homemade meal every night, or we have to eat out, don't feel bad. Maybe just try and find a place where you can get something healthier. Chipotle is a really good place. you can get good stuff at Chick-fil-A. I just wanted to have that little rant because I see videos like that all the time, and certain really big influencers making people feel bad that they have to eat fast food when their whole job is literally, they have all the time in the world. That's my little rant. I'm gonna eat this. I gotta go. Alright guys, so I'm now gonna make my heavier protein shake. This is the Impact Whey Isolate Chocolate Smooth. I'm gonna add banana, peanut butter, and granola. And first I add ice, and then I'm gonna add almond milk to it. So I'm gonna have this for dessert along with my protein shake. It does have 15 grams of protein. It satisfies my sweet tooth while also giving me 15 grams of protein. So I absolutely love this. So I'm gonna eat the Myprotein crispy wafers. This is the flavored chocolate. The texture reminds me of like those wafer cookie crisps, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this while I drink my protein shake, and that'll be the rest of my meals for today. I hope this video was helpful giving you meal ideas and just kind of an idea of how much I do eat while bulking. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you Myprotein for sponsoring this video. Don't forget I have a code BaileyNYP that you guys can use at checkout to save you some money. So